Hey everyone, today we are making a light breakfast which is a vegetable omelette. At first you can add some butter. After a few minutes you can add onion. Capsicum, and then you can add carrot. You can add salt, pepper, and mix it together. You can add salt and pepper as you prefer, so here we added more pepper. Next you can beat your 2 eggs and leave it aside. Next you can add tomato. Then the onion leaves. Keep mixing it. And once it's done, you can add your egg into the pan. Leave it for a while. Then you can place a plate on the top of the pan and you can flip the 2 sides of your omelette and you can leave it for a while.